Right, okay. So now we have the flying egg one, and that's putting out a lot of light. Okay, so for the everlasting lantern, I think the lower wattage stuff is much better than the higher wattage, but it's still very impressive. And as I said, if you had a crystal cell where you have a constant output but very low amount of energy. Okay, I think all these other LEDs, these higher ones, would work absolutely brilliant too. Okay, but what we're doing here is we're going to be with Everlasting Lantern. We want to be able to recharge it. Well, one of the versions with a thermoelectric element, a TEG element. Okay, and what that does is the idea is it basically recharges a capacitor for a couple of minutes, and then basically you can pick it up, take it away, and then you get a whole night's worth of light. Okay, and by testing it with a very small amount of energy and maximising it and testing the run times, we can basically kind of fine tune stuff. Okay, and by the way, and this is just a coil winding, a ferrite core winding. Okay, in a special proportion. But with this magic circuit we've evolved. Okay, the pot cores are next. Okay, so let's basically just isolate this from the battery. Okay, the final run of this one. There we are. No, nothing. See, not attached. All resonating lovely, and you can see that this one's lasting quite a long time indeed, and it's gradually dying down and dying down and dying down as it's getting every little particle and electron from this. By the way, this is a tiny bit of energy compared to what's in a crystal cell or battery, which is outputting. This is absolutely spectacular stuff. So I know, let's try and use the dead battery again and see how that is with a flying egg. Okay, very very fast, super battery. So we'll get that on there. Okay, and we basically have to push. Oh, it's hard to do with with one hand, I tell you. Okay. Can't do it. It's very hard to do. Hang on, I'll get it. I'll put the phone down and get it sorted, and then do it. I think that's the best way. Right, I've got my fingers pressed on there. Can I get the power in there? Okay, look, instant, running off the dead battery. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that a beautiful light? A beautiful, beautiful light. Okay, let's take the battery away. Okay, there, battery away. Okay, so isn't that grand? It says it's amazing. Before, back in those days when I thought it was amazing just to get a kind of one of those teeny little like 10 watt thing jobs. You piddly bit of light, whereas now we get loads, and we've got beautiful self-resonation, maximizing all the juice and everything. Okay, so I thought that was really, really fascinating stuff. And also with micro-sized things, which is brilliant. I'll show you this next lovely little thing. Okay, what this is, okay, this is a lush little step down module, which kind of I've been using for loads of experiments. We basically have a voltage on the top and the ampage on the bottom, and this can read down to about 20 milliamps. Okay, so we can meter the energy. We can actually see in real time the energy going into there, which is great stuff.